before. Yes, sir. We are getting home. All right, here it is. It's all glory. I'm about to change the fuel filter. I might just fix it. We'll see. Not the greatest thing, that's for sure, but for 800 bucks, it's a truck. Inside of the bed's actually pretty good. It's just dirty. It's actually good condition. Tailgate, not so much. Rear bumper's not too bad. A little tweaked. It's, I mean, no rust. It's a 92 F250. Texas truck the whole time. Probably, he said 211,000 miles. Odometer doesn't read anything, so title is exempt. So we'll see. Change out this fuel filter and see what happens.